Hello students, welcome back to one more academic and important session of Bioinorganic Chemistry. I am Dr. Sujata Kasbe from Abasab Garwari College, Pune. So up till now we have completed the role of iron as a dioxygen transport. Now next to that let us study the next part of role of iron as a electron transport. Many reactions catalyzed by metalloenzymes involve electron transfer. On the simplest level, one can consider electron transfer reactions to be complementary when there are equal numbers of oxidants and reductants and the metals transfer equal numbers of electrons as shown in the slide. In the equation 1, there are equal numbers of oxidants and reductants and the metals transfer equal numbers of electrons. Non-complementary reactions as shown in equation 2 involve unequal numbers of oxidants and reductants because the number of electrons gained or lost by each metal differs. Non-complementary reactions, especially for large biomolecules, must proceed through a number of biomolecular steps since the possibility of intermolecular or higher order collision is very small. Two types of electron transfer mechanisms are defined for transition metal species: outer sphere and inner sphere electron transfer. Outer sphere electron transfer occurs when the outer or solvent coordination sphere of the metal centers is involved in transferring electrons. No recognition of the inner coordination sphere of either reactant takes place during electron transfer. A reaction example is depicted in equation 3. Inner sphere electron transfer. Inner sphere electron transfer involve the inner coordination sphere of the metal complexes and usually takes place through a bridging ligand. The classic example typical of those studied and explained by H. Taube is shown in the slide. In this reaction sequence, production of Cr3H2O5Cl2 plus implies that electron transfer through the bridged intermediate from Cr2 to CO3 and Cl minus transfer from CO to Cr are mutually interdependent acts. Harry B. Gray and Walter Ellis describe three types of oxidation reduction centers found in biological system. The first of these, protein side chain, may undergo oxidation reduction reaction such as the transformation of two cysteine residues to form the cysteine dimer as shown in this equation. The second type of biological electron transfer involves a variety of small molecules, both organic and inorganic. Examples of these are nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate as two electron carriers and quinones and flavine mononucleotides that may transfer one or two electrons. The third type of biological electron transfer involves metalloproteins themselves. These may be electron carriers or proteins involved in the transport or activation of small molecules. These so-called electron transferases have some characteristics such as: number 1, a suitable cofactor such as NAD or NADH or another protein acts as an electron source. Second, geometry that allows the cofactor close enough to the protein surface for the transfer of electrons. Third, a hydrophobic shell on the protein surface around or near the cofactor. And fourth, architecture permitting changes in protein conformation to facilitate electron transfer. These last changes should be small. Electron transferases that will be discussed in this text include the cytochromes and cytochrome C oxidase. Cytochromes comprise several large classes of electron transfer metalloproteins wider spread in nature. At least 4 cytochromes are involved in the mitochondrial electron transfer chain that reduces oxygen to water according to the equation given in the slide. Other electron transferases include the rubredoxine and ferredoxine iron sulfur proteins, so named because they contain iron sulfur cluster of various sizes. Rubredoxine are found in anaerobic bacteria and contain iron ligated to 4 cysteine sulfurs. Ferredoxine are found in plant chloroplast and mammalian tissue and contain spin coupled 2Fe2S cluster. The two types of iron sulfur proteins are rubredoxine and ferredoxine. Let us begin with the first type, that is rubredoxine. Rubredoxines contain one iron center tetrahedrally coordinated to 4 cysteineates. The types of rubredoxines are only depending on the arrangement of Fe atom. Rubredoxine may be represented as FeS. S is from the cysteine. This is the structure of rubredoxine, in which iron atom at the active site and which is bounded with sulfur atom of the cysteine amino acid. As we know now, iron atom has tetrahedral geometry in which 2 sulfur atoms are in one plane and one sulfur atom is below the plane and second sulfur atom is above the plane. The oxidation state of the iron atom is +3 and it is in high spin state. All the 5 electrons have parallel spin, and due to parallel spin, the total spin quantum number of the molecule is 5/2. And hence this molecule is paramagnetic and therefore ESR active. That is, this is the oxidized form of rubredoxine. When it is reduced by 1 electron, then the iron atom goes in +2 state, but the spin state of this molecule is in high spin state. But in this case, the extra electron is added, 2 electrons are paired and other 4 are unpaired. Hence, the total spin quantum number of this molecule is 4/2, that is equal to 2. Due to paramagnetic behavior, this is also ESR active. Ferredoxines. Ferredoxines are of 3 types: Fe2S2, Fe3S4 and Fe4S4. This is the structure of Fe2S2, which is in oxidized form. There are 2 iron atoms in the +3 oxidation state. These are bridged by 2 sulfide ions and sulfur atoms of the cysteine amino acid. The 2 iron atoms are in high spin state and both iron atoms have tetrahedral environment. Because the two iron atoms are in high spin state, the one iron atom has spin directed to upward, whereas the spin of the other iron is in downward directions. Because of this opposite spin of these electrons, these two iron atom antiferromagnetic coupled and the total spin of the molecule becomes 0. And due to this it is diamagnetic and hence it is ESR active. This is oxidized form of Fe2S2 ferredoxine. If this oxidized form is reduced by one electron, the one electron will be reduced only from one iron atom. Now, one iron atom will come in +2 state from +3 state, whereas other iron atom will remain intact. Now, the iron which is reduced from +3 to +2 state is still in high spin state, and another iron which is in +3 state is already in high spin state. The Fe2 plus possesses 2 electrons in paired position and other 4 are unpaired. Fe3 plus has parallel electrons but in the opposite directions of that of Fe2 plus. The 4 unpaired electron from each iron cancel the spin. Now only one half spin is remained. So the total spin electron become equal to 1/2. This is the reduced form of Fe2S2 ferredoxine. Ferredoxine is further classified as photosynthetic ferredoxine and Cuban-like ferredoxine. The cluster in the ferredoxine molecule associated with photosynthesis in higher plants is known as photosynthetic ferredoxine. The cluster found in certain bacterial ferredoxine involved in anaerobic metabolism. It consists of Cuban-like cluster of 4 iron atoms and 4 labile sulfur atoms and 4 cysteine bonds. Working of rubidoxine and ferredoxine. Ferredoxine and rubidoxine can oxidize as well as reduce, thus act as electron carrier. They have reduction potential from 0 to 0.5 volts. They also used to reduce N2 to NH3 in nitrogen fixation. There is nitrogenase enzyme. So students, we'll meet in the next presentation soon. Do watch it. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.